Malaga, your ultimate travel guide. Welcome to Malaga, a jewel of the Costa del Sol, where history, culture, and beauty collide to create an unforgettable experience. Join us as we embark on a journey through this enchanting city, exploring its hidden gems and must-see attractions. Get ready to immerse yourself in the essence of Malaga. Malaga is nestled on the southern coast of Spain, specifically in the region known as Andalusia. It is situated along the Costa del Sol, which translates to Coast of the Sun, due to its abundance of sunshine and beautiful Mediterranean beaches. Malaga is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including mountains to the north and the sparkling waters of the Mediterranean Sea to the south. This strategic location gives Malaga its unique charm and provides visitors with a diverse range of attractions, from historic landmarks to scenic beaches and vibrant city life. Our journey begins in the heart of Malaga, where centuries-old architecture blends seamlessly with modern amenities. Take a leisurely walk through the charming streets lined with cafes, boutiques, and colorful markets. Don't forget to indulge in some traditional Spanish delicacies, such as tapas and churros, at one of the many local eateries. No visit to Malaga is complete without exploring its rich history. Step back in time as you wander through the ancient walls of the Alcazaba fortress, built by the Moors in the 11th century. Marvel at the well-preserved Roman theater, which dates back to the 1st century BC and offers stunning views of the city. For those seeking sun and relaxation, Malaga boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Spain. From the lively shores of La Malagueta to the tranquil coves of Nerja, there's a stretch of sand for every type of beachgoer. Soak up the Mediterranean sun, take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, or simply unwind with a good book and a cold drink. As the sun sets, Malaga comes alive with a bustling nightlife scene. From trendy bars and clubs to traditional flamenco performances, there's no shortage of entertainment options to choose from. Experience the city's vibrant energy as you dance the night away with locals and fellow travelers alike. Now let's know the best places to visit in Malaga. Alcazaba. The Alcazaba, an architectural masterpiece steeped in Moorish history, stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Islamic culture in Malaga, Spain. Perched atop a hill overlooking the city, this majestic fortress palace complex dates back to the 11th century, serving as a symbol of power and resilience. Its formidable walls, adorned with intricate carvings and decorative motifs, bear witness to centuries of conquests and conquests. From the tranquil beauty of its courtyards to the commanding views of the Mediterranean Sea, the Alcazaba offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Andalusian history. Today, the Alcazaba stands as a living monument to Malaga's cultural heritage, captivating all who behold its grandeur with its timeless allure and enduring beauty. Gibralfaro. Gibralfaro Castle, perched atop the verdant slopes overlooking Malaga, Spain, is a formidable fortress steeped in centuries of history and legend. Built in the 14th century by Yusuf I of the Nasrid dynasty, this iconic landmark stands as a testament to Moorish ingenuity and military prowess. Rising proudly above the city, the castle's imposing walls and towers offer breathtaking panoramic views of Malaga's picturesque skyline and the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea. As visitors ascend the winding path to the castle, they are transported back in time to an era of chivalry and conquest, where knights and monarchs once roamed its hallowed halls. Malaga's beaches. Malaga's beaches, nestled along the sun-drenched shores of the Costa del Sol, are a haven of relaxation and natural beauty. With their golden sands, crystalline waters, and vibrant atmosphere, they offer the perfect escape for sunseekers and water enthusiasts alike. From the lively shores of La Malagueta, where beachgoers can indulge in a variety of water sports and beachfront restaurants, to the tranquil coves of Nerja, known for their secluded charm and stunning coastal scenery, Malaga's beaches cater to every taste and preference. Whether basking in the Mediterranean sun, taking a refreshing dip in the azure waters, or simply unwinding with a good book under the shade of a palm tree, visitors are sure to find bliss on Malaga's idyllic coastline. Atarazanas Market. Atarazanas Market, nestled in the heart of Malaga's historic center, is a bustling hub of culinary delights and cultural diversity. Housed within a magnificent 19th-century building, adorned with a stunning stained glass window, this vibrant marketplace offers a sensory feast for visitors. As one navigates through its bustling aisles, the air is alive with the aromas of freshly baked bread, exotic spices, and ripe fruits. From local seafood delicacies to traditional Andalusian tapas, the market stalls showcase the rich gastronomic heritage of the region, tempting passers-by with an array of mouth-watering treats. Unforgettable. Unforgettable, situated along Malaga's vibrant waterfront, is a modern and lively promenade that offers a unique blend of leisure, shopping, and dining experiences. With its sleek contemporary design and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea, Unforgettable has become a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. As visitors stroll along its palm-lined boulevards, they are greeted by an array of boutiques, galleries, and specialty shops offering everything from designer fashion to locally crafted souvenirs. The promenade also boasts a diverse selection of restaurants, cafes, and bars, where patrons can indulge in delicious cuisine while soaking up the scenic vistas. Malaga Park. Malaga Park, also known as Parque de Malaga, is a lush urban oasis nestled in the heart of the city. Spanning over 30 acres, this picturesque park offers a serene retreat from the bustling streets of Malaga, inviting visitors to relax and unwind amidst its verdant landscapes. With its towering palm trees, fragrant flowers, and tranquil ponds, Malaga Park provides the perfect backdrop for leisurely strolls, picnics, and outdoor recreation. The park's winding pathways lead to charming gazebos, ornate fountains, and secluded corners, where visitors can escape the hustle and bustle of urban life and immerse themselves in nature's tranquility. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Malaga. We hope you've been inspired to explore all that this captivating city has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or simply in search of adventure, Malaga promises to leave you spellbound. Until next time, adios from Malaga.